Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to plug in your Endgame Gear OP1 mouse. Let's begin. Now this is really easy because it is a wired mouse. So you want to take your USB cable, which is right here. As you can see, I can move it around. It's the same cable. And you want to plug it in your USB port in your computer. It can be any port. So now I will plug it in. It's important to know that it has to be in the correct direction. And yeah, the mouse doesn't light up. It doesn't have LEDs. So I can't show you that it's plugged in, but it is. I can see the cursor moving. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.